have the exhaust, the Two Brothers exhaust off of the Spyder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to polish this all out, and I might pull that dent out. We'll see what it looks like once it's fully polished. What I'm going to do is just hit it with 1000 grit first, and then see what it looks like. Maybe I'll hit it with some 1200 and see. But this will make it look brand new. You can take that.
Alright, so we keep scratching it, and we're taking 320 on my TA to the pipe. See if we can take it off any easier.
Okay, so basically light polish on it. I mean, there's still scratches and dents in it, but I just wanted to get it where it looked a little better. I'm going to paint this tomorrow, and I ordered a new Two Brothers emblem, which goes over here, and it'll look pretty good. I mean, at least it's polished now. And I cleaned all that front. Looks better. So it's always better to just kind of get it a little polished, a little cleaner. All right, so I took the tip off, and I'm just going to shoot it with some black semi-gloss engine paint. It's just red Scotch Brighting all the little spots down so that we don't get a lip. And what I did for the pipe is I actually turned it around because there was dents on the front, and now it looks really good.
Here's now our back where it's got the dents, and then we flipped it around so then the front now was originally the back of the pipe.
And we got a new decal coming.
Yep, from Two Brothers themselves. And then this clamp actually just separates right here and here, so you loosen it, and then if you take out the bolts, it just kind of drops out. So, and then if we need to, we'll reset it by just loosening these to the bike, and then it will be perfect on the Can Am. Oh. And then that also does say magnesium, like all the Two Brothers stuff does.
So now that I painted the end cap, looks pretty nice now. And I turned the thing around. So as you can see, as I'm going by with the camera, it's almost like a mirror. Looks pretty good. I'm debating whether or not I want to change that. I mean, it's 16 bucks. I don't know if I feel like changing it for $16. So when the new emblem comes, I'll put it on, then put it back on the bike. Looks pretty good so far. Okay, so I got the Two Brothers emblem today, placed it on there. It looks a lot better than it did. This is the old one. There's a new one. This ran about $5, but $8 in shipping. And actually they sent me both. They sent me the Black Series one as well. So that's what I have on the race bike. So we'll keep that in case we ever need it. Looks like it's pretty straight. I don't know, it might be a hair down, like a 1/16 of an inch. But when you put that on the bike, it's going to be up on an angle. I don't think you're really going to see it. But looks pretty good if you ask me. I'm looking forward to seeing it back on the bike. And again, like I said, we painted the back section before. It looks good. Okay, so I started to put the exhaust back on. I just mounted the hose clamp here, or the clamp. So I got that there. And now what I want to do is I want to tilt the exhaust. So I'm going to loosen it up from here and just twist it before I start tightening up at this base. Okay, so I straightened the exhaust up. Looks good. Just starting to tighten that side piece, and then I have to find the spring for down there. So let's finish tightening this up, and we'll be good with the exhaust. Okay, so we got the exhaust back on. I stuck the spring under here. That's holding that. And it seems to be the way it's supposed to be. It looks good.